Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. It's a lovely Monday morning. Got a short week this week because of the Queen's Jubilee, which is nice. Treating us to a short week. I'll take it. No topic in mind for today's video. We're just cruising to work. Hopefully have some decent TikTok content coming out soon, because I've got lots of nice clips from riding yesterday on Sunday, riding on the weekend, with no audio. So I'll be able to use them for TikTok. Obviously, won't be able to upload them as YouTube videos because there'll just be horrible wind noise over the top. They're not slow today. They're doing alright. It's a pretty cool day. It's not as hot as it has been over the weekend. I've still got sunburnt arms from the weekend. I'm enjoying the Fazer. I am looking forward to an upgrade, but that's just me because I'm impatient and I like getting new things. Not like new, but I mean like just to change the scenery. This bike is actually very good. I really like it. I just want something a bit more upright, a bit more Tourer-esque. Yeah, I had a nice little trip yesterday. I'm on 86 miles now and I filled up in the morning, so did a decent day of riding yesterday. Did some coastal roads, did some little bit of highway, sort of motorway stuff, A roads, dual carriageways. It was a good mix. Some faster bits, some like nice twisty bits, nice views. You know, that's what it's all about. On the weekends, just sort of making the most and enjoying it. Just sticking out. See me. I've been very unaware of motorbikes. I've watched a few things about it from is it Fortnine? They did quite an interesting video on it. I'll have to link it in the description or something. Fortnine did it. It was Ryan was talking about how there was a study in how motorcycles aren't seen as much, just because of the, I don't know, they just can't gauge speed and they can't, your like subconscious doesn't search for something so small, because we're always driven to search for cars, which are some big objects. If you see something like a bike, it's not considered to be important or something in your head. I know it's interesting. It's worth a watch if you're into your motorbike safety stuff and if you're interested. I like going around dealerships and looking at all the nice new stuff, the fancy bikes. So if you like nice bikes, go and have a look. It's all like personal preference, really. You gonna pull out? I thought you were gonna pull out in front of me then. Fuck off. Pretty chill ride this morning, which is good for a Monday morning. Oh, that's fun. I think that's where the fun bit ends. I think this is where the big lorry is that I was on about a minute ago. Oh, when the revs get up, it's such a nice noise. I just wish I had an exhaust. You just can't hear it. It's just engine noise. The exhaust's virtually silent on this. It's stock, everything's stock. But it's, yeah, we're not even stuck behind anything. Just people are going slowly. There's that lorry, a big slow boy. I mean, to be fair, it's fucking huge, so I wouldn't want to drive one of those. But yeah, coming towards the end of the ride. It's I'm enjoying my daily video creation. I know there's been a big gap. I've actually tried recording every single day. It's just that fucking I've had issues and GoPro and blah blah blah. So I'm gonna try and get back on it this week. Pump out the little content every day, even if it's just a short 5-minute video of me chatting bollocks. It's just fun. I enjoy it. Thank you for tuning into the channel again. We're hopefully going to be a bit more consistent this week. We've got a bit more of a solid setup, I think. So yeah, thanks for watching Motor POV. Hope you've enjoyed. It's been good chatting with you. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.